Hi guys, so katatapos ko lang maglaro ng badminton and ngayon naman is I'm going to unbox this. I bought an earphone sa online and sobrang mura na lang, like 50 pesos lang siya. Ayan, earphone siya, color white kasi white yung prefer. Ayan, ganyan siya for the business kasi we have a printing business. Ito siya, photo paper siya. I have size for A4. Ito. And then, ganyan siya. Photo paper siya, 20 pieces, 4R and 3R for the 1x1 picture. Tag-dalawa. Or tag-isa lang. Yan. So,
hindi kami kilala ng magulong biya.
we're going to bank kasi meron tayong duties dun sa bank. Kasi madaling araw na ngayon and may pasok ako bukas or mamaya ng 7 a.m. We will be having our long quiz viewing for our subject HCI and ito yung topic namin last week. It's 1:52 a.m. March 4 and meron na lang akong 4% na take kong notes, writing it para maalala ko siya and para lang sabay pag sulat ko and then yung memory ko sumasabay din. Guys, it's 6 a.m. March 18 and ayan, nakaligo na ako and then magre-review na ako ng Java or magsasolve na ako ng iba't ibang problem, data structures and algorithm. Ayun, I'm using Java kasi Java yung language na gagamitin for the competition sa school. Magre-review na tayo. Let me just open my Eclipse. Hi guys, so yung sinolve ko is to move the zeros on the left or on the right, sa dulo or on the end or sa last. Yun yung task, is to move the zeros on the last and nagawa ko siya. And before, ito yung problem na hirap ako kahit na I search it online on how to do it. Hindi ko pa rin talaga magets yung concept behind. Pero ayun, sa paulit-ulit ko na i-code siya, nagawa ko na siya. So, ito yung problem. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan yung problem na sinolve ko. So, returning the most frequent value. So, for example, the user inputted or entered 5, then it will return 5 since nag-input ako ng 5 3 times. So, hi guys. I just got home from school and kanina naganap yung mini competition about sa Java programming language. It was about algorithm. We're gonna solve this specific problem on, for example, let the user input and return this kind of output. Ganun. So, meron siyang tatlong parts. Easy, medium, then hard. We only got one score for the easy part, in which we were able to finish it first. Such a fun experience, and I'm so blessed that I'm able to be on that position, solving those kind of problems with pressure, kasi kailangan talaga is mabilis and at the same time correct yung may lalagay mo, kasi may validations din siya. Pag may mali is proceed sila sa next na nakasagot. So sudden lang talaga yung pagkasali ko. Such a fun experience. We got the 3rd place and 4 course yun, we got the 3rd place, pero 6 yung groups.